Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
Hello there, this is GK. I am going to read you one of lessons from the Survivors Club, which teaching us how to eat an elephant. Just before that, please help to click like and subscribe my channel. Awesome! Now here is the story. How to eat an elephant, the lessons of the Survivor Club. At least 80% of us react in the same way to a life or death crisis or emergency. We are simply overwhelmed, the challenge seems too great, the problem insolvable. In Air Force Survival School, they try to teach you how to overcome this feeling. One of the things they ask new cadets is, how would you eat an elephant? And they make them memorize the right answer, which is, you at an elephant one bite at a time. Survival means dealing with a huge life or death problem, one which you may not be able to solve quickly or all at once. The key to survival is to slow down and divide the challenges into small, manageable tasks, one goal at a time, one decision at a time. When an avalanche buried the survivors of a plane crash in the Andes, the survivors whispered to each other, "Breathe. Breathe again. With every breath you are alive." In a hopeless situation without oxygen or light, this approach kept them going until they found a way out. This and much more is what survival expert Ben Sherwood tells us in his best-selling book The Survivors Club, which brings together stories of real-life survivors from all kinds of disasters. He begins by explaining the 10-80-10 principle. When faced with an emergency, 80% of people freeze. They are stunned and turn into statues or are so bewildered by what is happening around them that they can't react. 10% lose control. These people scream and cry, and often make the situation worse. But 10% keep calm and behave in a rational way. They don't panic and they assess the situation clearly and take decisions. These people have the best of survival in a crisis, and Sherwood explains how you can try to become more like them. He also reminds us that, apart from staying calm and not despairing, knowing the right thing to do in a crisis is also vital, and that in most emergencies many more people survive than don't. For example, most people think that you can't survive a plane crash, but American research has shown that the survival rate in all air crashes is historically 95.7%. Sherwood not only tries to show us how to behave rationally and calmly, he also gives us the information we need to join the Survivors Club. Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.